You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful reviews. Exploring LendKey for your business loan, a comprehensive review. Links to LendKey and related resources are available in the description below. LendKey stands out as a unique lending platform, bridging the gap between borrowers and community banks and credit unions. It presents a compelling alternative to conventional bank loans, emphasizing competitive interest rates and a streamlined online experience. For small business owners in search of accessible financing, LendKey emerges as a strong contender. LendKey's core strength lies in facilitating business loans via its network of local lenders. This often translates to more favorable interest rates and more adaptable terms compared to larger financial institutions. Loan amounts span a practical range from $5,000 to $300,000, catering perfectly to the needs of small and medium-sized businesses seeking capital for various purposes, including managing cash flow, acquiring equipment, or investing in growth opportunities. Loan terms typically extend from 1 to 10 years, varying based on the specific lender and loan type, providing borrowers with valuable flexibility in structuring their repayment plans. A defining characteristic of LendKey is its unwavering commitment to transparency and borrower-friendly practices. By partnering with community-focused lenders, the platform frequently delivers a more personalized service experience and a deeper understanding of local market dynamics. Furthermore, the online application process is designed for user-friendliness, enabling borrowers to compare multiple loan offers within the network and pinpoint the optimal fit for their financial circumstances. LendKey is particularly well-suited for business owners who possess good credit and are seeking competitive interest rates, while also being comfortable borrowing from smaller financial institutions. The platform also appeals to borrowers who value a more personalized lending experience compared to larger, less adaptable online lenders. However, businesses grappling with lower credit scores or inconsistent financial histories may encounter challenges in qualifying, as LendKey's lending partners often prioritize creditworthiness and a stable revenue stream. In summary, LendKey presents an excellent option for small business owners seeking competitive rates and personalized service from local lenders. Its straightforward online process and transparent approach make it a dependable choice for those with strong financial profiles. Explore the links in the description to delve deeper into LendKey and determine if its offerings align with your business financing needs. This review aims to provide the necessary clarity to help you decide whether LendKey is the right financial solution for your business.